Welcome to this secluded Oklahoma house on 12 plus acres, offering the perfect blend of privacy, space, and scenic country living. Tucked behind a private gated drive, the property provides a peaceful retreat surrounded by mature trees, wide open views, and a serene pond. A massive flex room adds incredible versatility, easily converted into 2 additional bedrooms, a home office, a game room, or gym. The loft above the second bedroom offers further options for an additional bedroom or creative space, giving you the freedom to adapt the home to your needs. Outside, the expansive acreage provides endless opportunities for outdoor enjoyment, whether it's gardening, hiking, or simply soaking in the natural beauty. The creek, pond, and wildlife sightings enhance the feeling of serenity, making this Oklahoma property a true escape from everyday life. This home is being sold as is, presenting an exceptional fixer-upper or investment opportunity. With so much land, space, and potential, it's perfect for anyone looking to create a personal retreat, homestead, or private getaway in the heart of Oklahoma. Combine privacy with convenience, as the property is close enough to town amenities while still offering the peace of countryside living. This Oklahoma house is a rare find, delivering natural beauty, versatility, and the chance to make it your own.